I completely understand that majority of you watching this video don't have the money to invest in Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or YouTube Ads. And that is why in today's video, I'm going to show you an exclusive traffic source not a lot of people are talking about when it comes to making money online as a beginner. And I can assure you any beginner can implement this strategy and make anywhere from $200 to $500 a day. And I'm going to walk you through how to do this step by step in today's video. So the first step is going over to Google and you want to type in Google Sites. If you type this on Google, it's going to bring you to this page and you want to click on the first website. If you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where we are going to be creating a page which we will be using to promote affiliate links online and start making money. All right. So once you come over here, this is where you want to type in a title for this landing page. And this is going to depend on whatever niche you are working with, be it spirituality, health and fitness, make money online, relationship and dating. The list is endless. But in today's video, I'm going to be taking the make money online niche as an example, but you can definitely replicate the same strategy across other niches. And that brings us to our next step, which is using ChatGPT to generate content which we'll be using to promote affiliate links. And I can assure you, using ChatGPT is going to make life a lot easier for you, because in seconds, ChatGPT can create and generate content for you. So once you come over to ChatGPT, which is absolutely free by the way, you're going to come over to the prompt section, and this is where you want to type in a simple prompt like this: give me 10 captivating titles on make money online. As you can see, just like that, ChatGPT has given me the list of 10 titles I can use in this niche. So for me, I am going to take the second one, which says 10 proven strategies to earn passive income online. So all I need to do is to copy this. Then I want to come back to my landing page and I want to paste in the title here like this. And now all I simply need to do is to make sure to align everything properly like this. All right. So once you do this, the next step is to then come back to ChatGPT again, and you want to paste in that title: 10 proven strategies to earn passive income online. And once you do this, you want to make sure to type in a column here, and you want to make sure to type in write blog content, because you want ChatGPT to know that you want content that you can post on your website or on your landing page. All right. So once you do that, as you can see, ChatGPT has given us a list of 10 ways people can make passive income online. All you simply need to do is to copy the whole of this content and you want to paste it on your landing page. So once you do that, as you can see, in less than 5 minutes, we have created a landing page that we can use to start promoting affiliate links to people online and start making money. And you can even do something more captivating by adding images to even make it more engaging. All you simply need to do is to come over to the images section and you want to click on upload. So in less than 5 minutes, I added these images. As you can see, it now makes this page or landing page looks visually appealing to our audience. And I can assure you, this is going to keep people on this page longer and reading this content, as it's very important, because when we start promoting our affiliate links, you're going to see the benefit of adding images to keep people as long as possible on our landing page. All right, as you can see, this is a very nice landing page, and like I said, any beginner can do this. You don't need to have any experience or any knowledge of programming to do this. You can do this even if you're a 5-year-old. All right, so once you do this and everything is good to go, it takes us to the next step, where we are going to start promoting affiliate links on this landing page to start making money. And that brings us to this website, cpalead.com. And this is a CPA network where you can find various offers and start promoting them to people to start making money. As you can see, earn money by sharing content below on social media. And like I said, this is a CPA network where you can find offers, and these offers usually require people to enter their email addresses to a giveaway, to a raffle draw, or to win money online. So basically, people enter their emails online every single day for free, and this is 10 times easier than affiliate marketing, because you don't require people to pull out their credit card to make a purchase. All you simply need to do is to get them, enter these giveaways, raffle draw, or enter a chance to win something online. So basically, it's that simple. So once you come over to this platform, all you simply need to do is to click on create an account. And the reason I like this platform right here is because even with $1 earnings, you can withdraw your earnings right away. As you can see, get tomorrow your first payment. All right. So if you earn $1, you can request for payout and you can get paid right away. So once you come over to this page, just as it shows here, all you need to do is to enter your basic information, your full name, email, password, and you can create an account right away. Once you create an account, your dashboard should look like this. You are going to see your earnings for today, and you are going to see the earnings you have generated this month so far. So once you do that, you want to then scroll down and you want to come over to active offers. This is where we want to intentionally promote offers from tier 1 countries. And the reason is because these are top economies. And this way, advertisers are willing to pay you a higher commission when you get people to sign up to their offers. I mean people from these top economic countries. Countries like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. So for this video, we are going to be picking United States. So once you select United States, it's very important to come over to where it says any device and you want to change this to all device. All right. This is very important because we are going to be promoting this offer online and we want to make sure that we have the ability to make money, be it desktop traffic or mobile traffic. All right. So once you select that, this is going to show you all the available offers. As you can see, these offers here are going to pay people 31 cents, 61 cents, 44 cents. And do not be discouraged because keep in mind, all we are going to be doing is getting people to submit emails. And I'm going to show you a traffic source where you can get thousands of free traffic every single day. And you are going to be able to make your first $100, $200 online promoting your affiliate links. So now, as you can see, this offer here is available on all devices and also United States. Okay, so the next thing you want to then do from here is to simply copy the affiliate link to each of these offers. All right, so this first one here that says price grab $500 Visa USA. Okay, so you want to click on this offer. So once you click on this offer, all you simply need to do is to copy the title of this offer. Then you want to come back to our landing page and you want to paste in the affiliate link to each of these offers right here. So once you do that, all you simply need to do is to come over to the link section, and this is where you then want to paste in the affiliate link of the offer. And to get the affiliate link, all you simply need to do is to scroll down and you want to click on copy link. Then you want to paste in the link right here and you want to click on apply. I'm going to go ahead to paste in all the links. As you can see, the first one, which is price grab $500 Visa card, and you can see the second one, $500 grocery stimulus. If you scroll down here, you can see another one, $250 Darden restaurants. All right, so these are offers you want to paste on this landing page. All right, as you can see, we have 8 of these offers right here. Okay, so which means we can promote all of these 8 different offers on this page, because these people are trying to make money online and we are already giving them value from this page. And as you can see, this is the importance of adding images to keep them visually engaged on this page. And once they see these images, their attention is going to go over to this link right here. And once they click on the link, it's going to take them to that CPA offer page. All they need to do is to enter their email addresses to win this prize. And now if they enter the email addresses, you make money. So now I'm going to use a calculator to calculate all these offers here. So now if I come over and type in all of these offers, as you can see, all of them pay about 44 cents. All right, so if I type in everything here, as you can see, in total, if one person from United States come over to your landing page and complete each of these offer, you can earn up to $4 from just a single person alone. So imagine getting hundreds of people from US coming over to your landing page and completing these various offers. You can imagine how much you are going to make. And now that takes us to the next step, where I'm going to show you a traffic source you can use to start driving traffic to these offers and start making money. And the traffic source we are going to be using today is none other than Quora.com. And as you can see for yourself, it gets over 800 visits every single month. And you can see the traffic has spread between mobile devices and desktop. And that was the reason I mentioned earlier in the video to make sure to go with offers that are available on both mobile and desktop devices. And that is not all. If you scroll down, you can see the leading traffic that goes to Quora is from United States, which means you can get a lot of USA traffic from this platform going to our website. And once they complete the offers, we make money. So that means all you simply need to do is to go over to Quora.com to create a free account. And we are going to be using Quora Spaces to make money online. And Quora Space is similar to Facebook group, but Facebook group has seemed to die down a little bit. So that is why I recommend coming over to Quora Spaces. And using Quora, you can find a lot of Quora Spaces which you can use to promote this landing page, which has our affiliate links. All right, as you can see, this one right here, Make Money Online, has over 13,000 members in this group alone. And if you scroll down, you can see they have various spaces depending on the niche. You can see this one for psychology. If I scroll down for business, for history, whatever you can think of, there are spaces for this on Quora. So if you are promoting health related offer, you can come over to health spaces. As you can see, this one has 71,000 people in this group alone, which you can use to promote health related offers. So once you come over to Quora, all you simply need to do from here is to then come over here and type in keyword related to that landing page. So I'm going to type in something like Make Money Online. So once you do that, there are various ways to promote your landing page. You can do that by answering questions and basically just interacting with people in these spaces. And this way you are giving value to them, and in return, they are most likely to click on your link. So you want to make sure to give people value and not just going over to these spaces and then spamming your affiliate links. It's not going to work that way. So the first way is by coming over to questions, and this way you are going to see questions related to making money online, and you can answer them by recommending this landing page where they can get ideas or strategies to make money online. All right, so the second way is to simply scroll down here and click on spaces. So if you click on that, you are going to see a lot of spaces you can join. You can see this one has over 181,000 followers, and you can see this is also another one with over 55,000 members with 16 posts today. And if I come over to this one, you can see with 42,000 followers and it has 18 posts today. And if I scroll down here, you can see this post made by this person 11 hours ago. You can see, can you share your experience making money online in 2024? I'm new and I don't know how to make money. You can see right here, people are engaging with this post. Some people have dropped comments. Some people have even shared this post as well. So that is why I said using Quora Spaces is very powerful, because Facebook groups and other socials have died down a little bit, and Quora Spaces is one of the hidden gems you can use to start getting a lot of traffic online. So once you come over to these spaces, all you simply need to do from here is simple. You want to then click on this follow button to follow this space. All you simply then need to do is to come over here and you want to make a post. So you can come over here, you can either create a post or you can simply add a question. So this is really up to you. So you can come over and use this template here as an example. You can type in something simple like this. Hey guys, my name is, and I just got started with this whole make money online thing. And I found this article that suggested a few methods I can use. Please let me know your thoughts on this. And if you have any experience with these methods, thank you. And you want to type in your name right here. So this is where you then want to paste in your landing page link. So you want to go back to your Google Site account, and all you simply need to do is to give your site a name. So I'm just going to type in something like passive income. So once you type this, all you then need to do is to come over and click on publish. And you can do something even more creative. And I highly recommend you do this if you have some budget kicking around, by coming over to Namecheap to purchase a domain name you can use to promote this landing page, as that is going to make you look even more professional and is going to increase your conversion rate. So if you come over to namecheap.com and I type in a domain name similar to the landing page, which is passive income ideas, if you scroll down here, you can see you can get domain for as low as $1. For this passive income ideas.online, you can get it for 0.98 cents, and you can connect this domain to your landing page. So you can see right here, custom domain. Then you can then connect that domain name to your Google site, which you will then paste in right here. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to start getting traffic to your landing page. If you get just 5 or 10% of people clicking to go over to the affiliate link, you will definitely be making a lot of money as a complete beginner. This is not overnight success. You want to make sure to post at least 10 to 20 questions every single day, and that way you're going to start getting traction and you are going to start driving traffic to your landing page. And also keep in mind, Quora is a high authority domain and Google tend to rank its content on the first page. As you can see, this is a simple post right here and just 5 answers alone. As you can see, if your answers is among these, you're going to be getting a lot of traffic as well. So if I scroll down, you're going to see so many questions people have asked about making money online and they are ranking on Google. You can see this one, just 3 answers and it's ranking on Google. So if you use Quora, you are going to get a lot of traffic to your landing page and you are going to start getting clicks and start getting those affiliates commission. So basically, this is a very simple strategy anyone can do. If you don't have any money to invest, make sure to take action right after watching this video, as only those people who take action see results. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out the video on your screen right now, as this is the next video you should watch if you want to scale your earnings with CPA marketing.